indulging in such acts.
Superintendent ki pulit kanong ba Pankaj Kumar Raskania. Ulaong ba kitanat tokit ka Sarkar Pedeng kila syemti ban tokit halor ke Jingbyrngem Pynbthei bom Lyngba ka email ya ka Ïingbishar ke Jylla Meghalaya. Kani ka day ke Jingpa emir Birngem ka baar ha ka ba layo pediang nengkong ya ke Jingbyrngem ha ka hendriu terik ukala lengkot arhajar arpusau. Da ka baya tu ba la judon kum kini ke Jingbyrngem ye ki weipat ki Ïingbishar ru kumju. Uraskania ulaong bagi pulit kidang tokit chapang kani namar ke Jingbyrngem Pynbthei bom ya ke Ïingbishar Meghalaya ka day tangka spam. USP ulaong bagi pulit kila shimkhia baha ya kani ke Jingbyrngem watla omsham la ujor kanu ke ejahar hagajuk ka poru la pen klanyi ki bor pahara bat la pen longru ya ke jingkilan met pahara hapo Ïingbishar ha ka sngi baan la pen biangru ya ki kenhun pen lip bom bat ya ki saus madin.
That one email was sent to High Court which says that bombs has been placed in certain places of High Court. So it was tagged as spam by the Gmail. So we still don't know whether it is a genuine email or it is a spam. So we are still inquiring into it, and as and when we get the details, we'll inform you. In the previous incident which happened, we had already registered an FIR, and after investigation, we had got the details, and the incident which happened, so it was a very generic email, and it was not just sent to Meghalaya High Court, it was sent to all the High Courts.